In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a jewelry business by leveraging the power of online platforms like TEMU, Shopify, and Etsy, and harnessing the reach of social media to market your products successfully. Let's dive in and guide you through each step of this exciting entrepreneurial journey, from identifying popular jewelry styles to marketing your creations to the world. To begin, let's explore Temu, an invaluable platform for understanding what's hot in the jewelry market. Spend some time browsing through the website, paying close attention to trends and popular styles. This could involve looking at customer ratings, reviews, and the frequency of particular designs or materials being featured. The goal here is to get a sense of what customers are currently loving. Look for recurring themes or styles, and take notes on the types of jewelry that seem most appealing to the crowd, whether it's minimalist pieces, bold statement items, or specific materials like gold or silver. Understanding these trends is crucial for making informed decisions later on. Once you have a clear idea of what styles are trending, it's time to move on to purchasing. Look for suppliers who offer bulk deals, which often come with significantly discounted prices. Purchasing in bulk not only gives you better profit margins, but also ensures you have enough inventory to start your business without constantly worrying about restocking. However, make sure you're dealing with reputable suppliers. A little research here can go a long way in ensuring that you receive high quality products that meet your customers' expectations. This will minimize the risk of customer dissatisfaction down the line. Now that you have your inventory, it's time to set up your online store. Platforms like Shopify and Etsy are wonderful choices for showcasing your collection. Shopify is excellent for creating your own customized online storefront, while Etsy provides an accessible platform with a built-in audience looking specifically for unique, handmade, or vintage items. Whichever platform you choose, make sure your store is visually appealing, with clear and enticing photos of your products that highlight their features. Write descriptive, keyword-rich titles and descriptions to help potential customers find your items easily. The final step, and arguably one of the most crucial, is marketing your jewelry effectively. Social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest are excellent for showcasing your pieces. Share eye-catching photos and engaging content regularly, and consider utilizing features like Instagram stories or Facebook ads to reach a broader audience. Collaborate with influencers or other businesses to expand your reach and tap into new customer bases. Also, think about incorporating email marketing campaigns or blogging to share the story behind your jewelry line, which can create a deeper connection with your audience and enhance your brand's appeal. By following these steps, you'll be on your way to establishing a successful jewelry business. With careful attention to trends, smart purchasing decisions, effective store setup, and strategic marketing, you can capture the interest of customers and build a thriving online business. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Feel free to ask any questions in the comments below.